Description: a sulfate-free, ultra-hydrating shampoo that restores vitality and radiance, and instantly revives dry hair. Provides 95% longer-lasting color, and made with quinoa, aloe vera, vitamins, and shea butter for moisturized hair. Benefits: 95% longer-lasting color, vegan, and free of gluten, sulfates, parabens, DHA, and sodium chloride. Suggested use: apply to wet hair. Lather and rinse thoroughly. Repeat if necessary. Follow with moisture-rich conditioner. Sulfate-free, ultra-hydrating shampoo. Advanced blend of quinoa, aloe vera vitamins combined with nourishing shea butter drench hair in rich moisture. Weightless formula restores vitality, radiance instantly revives dry hair. Thermal and UV protectants. Gluten-free. Paraben-free. DHA-free. Sodium chloride-free. Sulfate-free. Longer-lasting color. Top reviews from the United States. Rich Moisture Shampoo. My hairdresser recommended this moisture-rich shampoo and I highly recommend it.